Okay, we are at A&W. We're enjoying. Bujung, what did you get for breakfast?
Rice
And chicken strip, right? And Papa Gaji Karera. All Canadian breakfast. It's Gamalek and Chuchu Kare. Chuchu breakfast, the Pujun Chipadra. Chicken strip, the price. And Amagaji. All Canadian. Already, bon appetit. We are at Hamilton Kumba. Weather is perfect. It's mid-May, I think 3rd week of May. Yeah, between 2nd and 3rd week of May. Weather is superb. So me, Achi and Kelsang came here. Boys, they wanted to stay at my mom's place. So they are there with Asuritzin, Ashang and Momo. We came here. Perfect weather. Kesang is trying to fix the tractor. It's the grass at the back. They're growing pretty tall.
don't try to
Already. So we are taking a little bit of break. Aji's here, I'm here. And Aja Pandilla.
Yes, my dear.
So it's been almost 10 days since we back from Korea vacation. So you have anything to share about our trip, like experience, memories?
Yeah, we had a great time. It was break from work, so we really needed that. Because in over here we always like work, right? So at least some time for ourselves. And most important is the companion. So I was with a great group. My sister, my cousin, and my other cousin. You know, we had a great time. We get along fairly well, so it's good. You need a good company to hang out.
Yes, yeah. We had fun. And we saw nice places, good food, authentic. And I think maybe everything is organic over there.
I'm not too sure about that because, but you know what? It's not like you're eating Korean food here versus what you can find in Korea, right?
It tastes much better.
So it's their own like food, and you're eating it in Korea. So I would assume it's better quality, authentic. You know, real taste of Korea.
Seasoning and ingredients
is,
makes
better, I guess.
Tastes better, yeah.
I'm not saying that in the West we're not getting the good quality Korean food, but I don't really explore much, you know.
I think authentic over there is more like authentic.
Yeah.
I was just checking which angle is better. I think this is still better. Yeah, and Aji's.
How about yourself?
Yeah, I had fun.
You miss the kids?
I had fun. Yes, I did miss the kids, but at the same time, I had fun spending time for myself as Chugi Wangmo, not as the mother Chugi Wangmo, as the girl Chigimomo. So I had fun with I always like whenever we go together, Aji, we always have fun. We just enjoy the vibe, the environment.
Yeah, I wish the weather was a little bit nicer. So
Yes.
I actually wanted to. Oh yeah, we're not there yet, but we went to Busan and it was it was a little bit colder than what we expected. But I
Yes.
wanted to get in the water because last time when I went, we skipped Busan because it was so cold. We went in April, and
This was
it
in
was
2017, right?
something like that. But it was so cold, and we didn't even go to Busan because it's only the beach that you can see at that time. I guess now after 8 years is more like tourist friendly. There's lots of places that you can go and explore. You really wanted to get in the water, but it was so cold.
But the Busan beach, what I felt was it was very crowded. It was very crowded.
Yeah, I can imagine. Yeah, if the weather's nicer, maybe it's more crowded. But you can go to like not in like where everybody is. You can go maybe a little bit on the side
Yes.
where there's less people.
I didn't go all the way by the water because I had sprained my ankle 2 times in Toronto before the trip. So I tried to step on the sand, and it was actually bothering my ankle. I took a couple of steps, then I just came back, and I didn't want it to hurt my ankle more, and then like not enjoy rest of the trip. So I just relaxed at the
You were
end.
dozing off on the steps. I took a video of you.
너서 지금
Like
같은 야교
thinking-
챙기는데다가.
Dinada going by the actually position simni deyo.
Yeah, I was sitting like king, one of those
King
Karsa
from like,
chona,
Yeah.
chona. I was sitting like this.
you'll see the picture maybe later.
Ani, our 2025, our trip was very good. And how about 2026 trip?
I don't know. We haven't looked into it yet.
That's it.
That's it. Yeah, I don't know.
Maybe someplace
wherever
nice.
life brings you,
Yeah.
you never know.
Yeah.
Maybe in Hamilton, maybe in Niagara Falls, maybe
Hamilton.
Vancouver. I would love to
Yeah.
go to Vancouver.
Oh yeah, Vancouver is
Like
nice.
I would love to take the Amtrak ra.
How?
Amtrak ra the Vancouver long the train let ready. The Karsa
Oh,
Rocky
the
Mountain
train,
Dive,
yeah, the train.
Dido Canada like shoot at
Via rail.
Via rail.
Via rail.
Yeah.
Via
Yeah, Amtrak the
rail.
other ra.
How much nga?
How much that? Anyways, like train shouldn't do that also. But going to this Chambora is a train kajidi.
And plus, it takes like what,
Limangas,
5 to 7 days
something
to
like
get
that.
there. I think
It
they
sounds
stop
like
at
fun,
different
but
city.
I think it's a little bit pricey. So
Yeah.
maybe we'll just fly. It's cheaper, and go to Vancouver, hang out.
Yeah, see the place.
Yeah.
And the summer would be better. Any place to visit. I think summer is always better, unless if it's like
Vancouver,
down south.
Dini like this toy to.
Yeah.
Yeah. Weather stay it around the metro. Yeah. Summer obviously kiwa you.
Honestly, more fun. You can take like fewer clothes, lighter clothes, less luggage.
Summer do around it.
Yeah. Alrighty, signing out over here. See ya. Okay, so we are leaving Hamilton now.
The next day.
Sikjibu라면 sik들이 대단한 것이고 sikjibu라면 sik지동 하시시는 then 함께 시행하는 서비스 technique middleware policy가 있다는 거. middleware policy 뭐가 when around the more what kind of structure, what kind of power sharing we will have for the settlement. And this is so we look at different possible autonomous arrangement. Rangkong Jamboli in the Bemobia.
Shiri thola kechibu ki kalo boga china so andela phamala lotu tsulo ki sensi ya kuna so adela to china sui thona shi lotu ki beki da shulo te ki lochi ke deje to julai ki lara sui ki lomye ki le tom da ani thande ki chu da chu shi de ki le shikola se shebe ya kuna so adela to china sui ni tumatela ni kuchube ke thane phamatsuegi sesi yapo shush mastela thochana chegi ni ishu de tamara zo Sikyong Penpa nabagi nyapto ni kunta ti kubachi kere tinja thango phane sochu da yala samalo ya pherona
Mucho su que mayor como ya que tuve ese no como ya pensaba de que era su su ya que era la mejor ciudad de mucho su su de Chicago 아니 데리가 가다 오늘 그 세야 그냥 우리가 여기 초반에 그 presidente da associação